Are you staring at a pile of corrugated cardboard, wondering how to package it like a pro? Let's talk about why corrugated cardboard is a packaging superstar. It's lightweight, durable, and recyclable, making it a favorite for businesses around the globe. At HRB Pack Group, we specialize in producing and selling state-of-the-art machinery for corrugated cardboard production. Our mission? To empower businesses with the tools they need to thrive in a competitive market. Let's take a closer look at our impressive lineup of machines. First up, our corrugated cardboard production line. This powerhouse is designed for high efficiency, ensuring that you get the best quality cardboard with every run. Next, we have the flexo folder gluer. This machine combines precision and speed, making it perfect for creating custom packaging solutions that stand out. Our flute laminator is another game changer, providing exceptional bonding and durability for your products. And don't forget about our stitching and die cutting machines. These are essential for finishing touches, ensuring your packaging is not only functional, but also visually appealing. At HRB Pack Group, we believe in putting our customers first. Our dedicated team works closely with you to understand your needs and provide tailored solutions that drive your success. Innovation is at the heart of what we do. Our engineers are constantly developing new technologies to enhance performance and efficiency, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. Ready to elevate your packaging game? Join the HRB Pack Group family today. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our cutting-edge machinery and how we can help your business grow.